The year 2025 on Government of Odisha. This report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is a compilation of matters arising out of the compliance audit of departments of Scheduled Tribe and Scheduled Caste Development, Minorities and Backward Class Welfare, Department of Housing and Urban Affairs, Urban Development, Department of Social Security and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Department of Higher Education, Department of Information and Public Relations, Department of Revenue and Disaster Management, and Department of Skill Development with Technical Education for the period March 2023. The important findings in these reports are summarized below. We had a subject-specific compliance audit on the ITDAs, the departmental execution of works and procurement of input materials by Integrated Tribal Development Agencies, also called ITDAs. These ITDAs functioning under the administrative control of the Scheduled Tribe and Scheduled Caste Development, Backward Classes and Minorities Welfare Department are responsible for the implementation of various welfare schemes towards integrated socio-economic development of ST population residing in the scheduled areas. 22 ITDAs were established in Odisha during the period 1979-80 to 22-23. A compliance audit of 11 sampled ITDAs covering the period from 2018-19 to 22-23 was conducted. The significant audit findings are as follows. Out of 1,709.47 crores available with the 11 sampled ITDAs during the period 2018-23, a sum of only rupees 1,190.44 crores, that's 70% only could be spent, indicating poor spending efficiency of the sampled ITDAs. This is shown in the paragraph number 2.1.7.1. And another paragraph is dealing with none of the sampled ITDAs had ever prepared annual accounts, though required under the provisions of Societies Registration Act 1860. Due to the non-preparation of accounts, matters pertaining to loss of wasteful expenditure as well as inefficiencies in expenditure could not be addressed. This is para number 2.1.7.2. The department